Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Avengers with clay. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need polymer clay in several vibrant colors, like red, blue, and yellow, to bring your heroes to life. Don't forget your basic sculpting tools, a safe cutting mat, and an oven for baking. Picking your first Avenger, maybe the mighty Hulk or the iconic Captain America, is the perfect way to begin this fun, creative journey. Now, let's build the foundational shape for your Avenger. Begin by rolling a piece of clay into a sturdy oval or cylindrical form for the torso, about 2 inches tall. Next, craft smaller spheres for the head, arms, and legs. Carefully attach these limbs to the main body, gently blending the clay at the joints. This step creates a solid base, ensuring your superhero stands strong and ready for action. With the basic form complete, it's time to add those crucial details that make your Avenger recognizable. Use tiny bits of clay to form their distinctive costumes, like Captain America's shield or Thor's hammer. Carefully sculpt facial features, giving them expressive eyes and determined mouths. Don't forget their unique masks or helmets. Utilize your sculpting tools to etch in textures and fine lines, bringing your hero to life with incredible precision. Finally, it's time to make your clay Avenger permanent. Carefully place your sculpted hero onto a baking sheet. Follow the specific baking instructions provided on your polymer clay package. Usually, this involves baking at around 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Once baked, let your magnificent creation cool completely before you touch it. Now you have a fantastic, handmade Avenger ready to display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.